Somebody called me, and that's why the video will stop. So I guess I will make two videos out of this. But anyways, like I was saying, winter came and it stopped me because my back's starting to hurt a lot. I start having a lot of flare-ups. It's stuff that you cannot control, you know. I'm very motivated. I'm one of those people that I don't give up. Um, I have accomplished lots of stuff in life. Like when I was in school, in high school, I finished high school. I went to the military. I did 8 years. And then when I got out, I got my bachelor's degree. And I'm like one more year to get my master's degree. And, when I was in high school, I was also taking martial arts. I have a black belt in Taekwondo and Hapkido, and I have accomplished many things. So I'm one of those people that I don't like to give up. I have that mentality. Like YouTube says that we need 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna try to monetize again because that's one of my goals. Like to prove to YouTube that they're not gonna put me down. And for all of y'all should think the same, like let's not give up. Let's just keep trying and be there again. So my videos are gonna be about motivation, stuff like that, about things that have happened to me. I cannot make scrapping videos right now. Maybe if I go and do a scrapping video, it's gonna be something light. I'm not gonna be picking up anything heavy or straining my back because I don't want to get hurt. But within time, I think that my back is gonna get strong again, and we will see. We will see about that. So, what's the plans now? The plans are to get my room organized. My man cave, because I just have a bunch of stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna get my man cave organized. I'm gonna take care of my backyard as much as I can. In the future. I'm not saying that I'm gonna do it right now or in a few days or a week or so, but that's gonna be in my list. I have to make a list, and little by little, I have to accomplish all that stuff. Um, like I said, you have seen my backyard. You know how messy it is. It's just part of being a scrapper. Um, I'm gonna be making lots of notes on what kind of videos I'm gonna be making, and I'm just gonna give it 100%. Because like I said, 700 subscribers. I was just waiting for that number so I can get motivated. Because like I told you, I feel like I'm like in a jail and I cannot do anything. I want to do stuff outside the jail, but I'm just not able to. But now that I have 700 subscribers, I feel like I can tear that jail apart and just go forward and do whatever I had to do, to get ahead in life and be successful and just progress in my life. All right, guys. This is all I have for you today. This is Jerry. Thanks for being here with me. Subscribe, comment, and like. And let's help each other reach 1,000 subscribers. And like I said, I'm going to be super motivated. So thank you. Thanks to all of you.